We'll guide you through how to remove a green screen in CapCut PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in CapCut, and so what you want to do is go and remove a green screen. This is really convenient to do because when you go and remove it, it then essentially makes the background of the media you've added transparent. And so you can go and overlay it over something else and essentially go and change the background. So you may go and have this with a person or some type of animation. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. So to get started, you need to go and have some media that you want to go and do this with. So we need to go and add in the bottom clip. So I've added this here. And then what I want to do is go and add in some media with a green screen over it, which we're then going to go and remove. So to get started, you can see I've added in my main media here, but now I need to go and add in the green screen content. So what we're going to do is go to the top left and press media and press import. Now what you can do is navigate and go and find the media you've got, which has the green screen. So in this case, I've got an animation. So I've got it selected, I'll press open and there it is. And I'll then click, hold and go and drag it into my timeline, as you can see. So I'll go and play it back and then we go and have the animation. And of course I can't go and see the clip behind it as we've got the green screen. So we can go and remove this. We'll guide you through this step by step. So what you need to do is you need to go and make sure in the timeline, you go and select the media with the green screen. So you can go and see I've now got it selected. And then what you need to do is come to the top right here and you've got video, click on it. You can then go and find the option for remove BG at the top. Now there's going to be different options here. You're going to have auto removal, custom removal and chroma key. You can see this little icon to the right of auto removal, which basically means you need to go and have CapCut Pro, which is paid to go and remove it. But you can go and remove the green screen with using CapCut Free and without having Pro. So the feature we're looking for is actually called chroma key. So you can go and see that here. You can go and click on it to expand it. You want to go and tick on it to the left to enable it. And now what we need to do is go and use the color picker because chroma key can go and remove other colors. It's commonly green screen, but it can be a blue screen or different colors, but it's usually green as that's different from the rest. So what you want to do is go and grab the color picker tool, go and click on it. And then what you need to do is go and hover over the green like so. You can go and use a different area. It doesn't matter. So you can go and see we've now done it. If you go and look closely, you're going to see it's not quite right. So what you can then do is go and increase the intensity. So you go and see this here and you can click, hold and drag to increase it. If you do it too much, for example, to 100, you'll go and see it starts removing too much. So there is a sweet spot. So you can go and adjust it to you find what works best. For example, 44 is pretty good. You can then go and play it back and go and see how that looks. And I think that looks pretty good to me. Now, if you go and find that it goes and removes too much, of course, you can go and decrease it as well. You can also go and use the shadow as well, which is cool. So you can go and increase that and go and see if you like the look of the shadow. And that's it. So you've now successfully gone and removed it. And you can then go and move this to your liking as well. And now if I go and play it back, you'll go and see that looks pretty good to me. If you found this useful and you want to see more CapCut guides like this, then make sure you go and check out the channel. We post these every single day, so I'm sure you'll go and find more useful, not just CapCut, but social media, gaming, Windows, iPhone, Android, you name it, we'll probably go and cover it at some point. So I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful how-tos. Have a great day, and if you have any suggestions, feel free to go and put them down below, and I'll try my best to go and look at them.